Welcome to Ruperi Computer Science and Career Institute. Our today's topic is maxima and minima. That is maximum and minimum values of fx. So today we learn the maximum values and minimum values of given function fx. Let us start. Maxima and minima. To find the maximum and minimum values, there are 4 steps. Therefore, we learn that 4 steps. Steps to find the maximum values and minimum values of fx. The maximum steps to find the maximum and minimum values of fx. Right? Now, step 1 is to find first order derivative and second order derivative. That is f dash x and f double dash x you have to find. Step 1, find f dash x and f double dash x. Right? Then step 2, put f dash x is equal to 0. Put f dash x is equal to 0 and solve that equation to get value of x. Right? Put x dash is equal to 0 and solve that equation and get the values of x. Step 3. Substitute these values of x in f double dash. That is, substitute the value of x in second order derivative. That is step 12. Substitute the value of x in f double dash x. If now this, इसके बाद जो अभी आपको जो वैल्यू है, if f double dash is less than 0, then f has maximum values. Then f has maximum values at x is equal to a. And if f double dash is greater than 0, then fx has minimum value at x is equal to b. Right? This is third step is important. Here we can find maximum and minimum. When f double dash, that is second order derivatives, after substituting the value, it is less than 0, then the function is maximum value at x is equal to a, or x is equal to that particular value. Okay. And if f double dash, that is second order derivative, is greater than 0, then the function fx is minimum value at x is equal to b. Right? Next, step number 4. To find the maximum and minimum values. To find the maximum and minimum values, put the point x is equal to a and x is equal to b in fx. Means the value of x is equal to a and x is equal to b put in fx. Then you get the maximum or minimum values. Okay. Now these maximum and minimum values are called as extreme values also. Therefore note, extreme values of fx is equal to maximum and minimum values of fx. Right? Now we solve some examples on that. For example, number 1, find the maximum and minimum values of fx is equal to x plus 9 divided by x. X is not equal to 0. This question also write in another way, that is find the extreme values of fx is equal to x plus 9 divided by x, where x is not equal to 0. Therefore, I have put next in same line, or this is or find the extreme value. I put the word, that is you have to understand find the maximum minimum value instead of find extreme value. In your question also ask same question, right? Now solving this question, solution since fx is equal to this now given, therefore f dash x, first we find first order derivative, that is f dash x is equal to what? Therefore f dash x is equal to d upon dx into bracket f dash x is equal to d upon dx into bracket x plus 9 divided by x, right? Therefore f dash x is equal to derivative of x is what? 1, and derivative of 9 divided by x is written is what? 9 x raised to minus 1. Therefore first we write in separate form, that is f dash x is equal to d by dx, d divided by dx, d by dx into bracket x, d by dx into bracket x plus d by dx into bracket 9 x raised to minus 1, d by dx plus d by dx into bracket 9 x raised to minus 1, right? Now next step we write derivative, therefore f dash x is equal to derivative of x is 1 and 9 x raised to minus 2, right? Derivative of x is equal to 1 and the derivative of 9 x raised to minus 1 is what? 9 x raised to minus 1, and that is minus sign with, therefore 1 minus 9 x raised to minus 2, right? Now we find f double dash, that is second order derivative, therefore f double dash x is equal to, now find f double dash x is equal to d divided by dx, d by dx into bracket 1 minus 9 x raised to minus 2, d by dx into bracket 1 minus 9 x raised to minus 2. So next step is, this is our derivative is now what? 1 derivative is 0, right? And minus 9 x raised to minus 2 has derivative is what? 9 into 2 is 18, minus minus is plus 18, 18 x raised to minus 3, right? Therefore the f double dash is equal to 18 x raised to minus 3. Therefore f double dash is equal x is equal to 18 x raised to minus 3. Okay, this is our second order derivative of given function. Now next, therefore f double dash x is equal to 18 divided by x raised to 3, 18 divided by x raised to 3. Okay, this is our second order derivative of given function, final answer. Now since fx is equal has maximum value and or minimum value, बराबर ना? This is given in our question to find maximum or minimum values. Therefore function is maximum or minimum values. Therefore what? F dash x is equal to, put it 0. Therefore f dash x is equal to 0. Right? Now f dash x is equal to 0 means what? The substitute the value of f dash x is what? Our value is 1 minus 9 x raised to minus 2 is equal to 0. Right? This is our f dash x. Right? Now this you solve at 1 goes right hand side, that is minus 1. Therefore minus 9 divided by x square is equal to minus 1. Right? Therefore minus 9 divided by x square is equal to minus 1. Is it? Therefore x is equal to what? X square is equal to 9. Right? Therefore x square is equal to 9. Therefore x square is equal to 9. Therefore what? X is equal to plus or minus 3. Right? That is x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 3. Right? These two values we get. Now substitute this value in f double dash and see whether it is less than 0 or greater than 0. Right? Therefore when x is equal to 3, f double dash 3 is equal to what? F double dash 3 is equal to 18 divided by 3 raised to 3, that is 27. That is 18 divided by 27. 18 divided by 27. Okay. This 18 divided by 27 is what? Is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. Therefore the function is minimum value. Right? Is greater than 0. Therefore fx is minimum at x is equal to 3. Now when x is equal to minus 3, therefore f double dash 3 is equal to what? Minus 18 divided by 27, and it is what? Less than 0, because minus 18 divided by 27, minus 18 divided by 27, and it is less than 0. Now this is less than 0, then the function is maximum at x is equal to minus 3. Therefore the function fx has maximum at x is equal to 3. Right? So to find the maximum, and minimum values of fx, put x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 3 in fx. Right? To find the maximum and minimum values of fx, put x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 3 in fx. Therefore minimum value is equal to f of 3 is equal to 3 plus 9 divided by 3, that is equal to 6 at x is equal to 3, and maximum value f of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 9 divided by minus 3 is equal to minus 6 at x is equal to minus 3. Right? Therefore minimum value is 6 at x is equal to 3, and maximum value is minus 6 at x is equal to minus 3. Right? This we solve.